Hello world. I may be small, but my questions are big. Welcome to the Future Voices Project. Grandpa said the future belongs to learners, and the baby had something to say. Before you fear AI, let a little voice explain why you should learn it. This isn't just a podcast. It's a tiny spark, a big dream, and a message for every curious heart.
AI is not the enemy of childhood. Fear is. Confusion is. Being left behind is. That's why we start with the basics.
What if learning AI today could change your whole tomorrow? A baby, a microphone, and a message the world needs to hear.
Our grandkids will inherit a world full of machines that think, answer, and create. Let's make sure they inherit wisdom too. If our children learn AI, world is changing fast. If we teach our children AI today, we give them a flashlight for tomorrow.
The future is knocking softly, not with fear, but with opportunity. And sometimes it takes a little voice to remind us to open the door.
To prepare for the future, learning AI in the next 2 years is vital. It is the language our children must speak. If our children learn AI early, they won't just be watching the future from the sidelines. They'll have a hand in building it.